A very pleasant morning to my dear student. Today we will do the next part of the chapter manufacturing industry. Yesterday we have discussed what is the meaning of manufacturing and what are the importance of manufacturing. And today we will discuss how agriculture and industry mutually benefited each other. Now let's start our topic. My dear student, you know it very well. India is an agrarian country. And here agriculture and industries are not exclusive of each other. Both the things means agriculture and industry move hand in hand, means both benefited each other in a lot of way. For example, agro-based industries. And here agro-based industry got a major boost to the agriculture by raising its productivity. For example, here jute, cotton, sugarcane means it acts as source of capital formation which can be utilized in the industries, and it provides food to the industrial workers also. In the same manner, the contribution of industry to the agriculture, because in industries a lot of things are produced or manufactured for the farmers. For example, irrigation pumps, fertilizer, insecticide, pesticides, plastic, PVC, machines, tool, etc. to the farmer. Means it provide infrastructure facility to the farmers. It can observe surplus labor or the worker of agriculture and reduce the pressure on agriculture. I think you have understood how agriculture and industries are the complementary of each other. Now we will discuss what is the contribution of manufacturing industry in the national economic development. Over the last 2 decades, the share of manufacturing sector has stagnant at 17% of GDP. And out of total GDP, 27% of the industry, which include 10% of mining, quarrying, electricity and gas. And this is much lower in comparison of some East Asian countries, or we can say economics. So with appropriate policy intervention by the government and renewed effort made by the industry, improve the productivity, economists predict that manufacturing can achieve its target over the next decade. That's why in our country, the National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council, means NMCC, has been set up with this objective. I think you have understood what are the contribution of industry to the national economics. Thank you and have a nice day.